In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Google Classroom with a link in this easy step-by-step 2025 tutorial. Whether you're a student or a teacher, knowing how to quickly join a Google Classroom can be really handy, especially when you receive a link directly from your instructor or educator. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step so you can follow along without any trouble. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome or any web browser that you're comfortable with. Google Chrome usually works best because it's seamlessly integrated with Google services, ensuring a smoother experience. If you don't have it installed, you can use other popular browsers like Firefox or Safari, depending on your device. Open your browser and head to the address bar at the top of the screen. This is where we'll paste the link that your teacher has provided to you. It's important to ensure that the link is copied correctly from the source to avoid any errors. To copy the link, simply highlight it completely, right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Once you've copied the link, return to your browser, right-click in the address bar and choose Paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac to paste the link. Now press Enter on your keyboard to navigate to the URL. This link should direct you to a Google Classroom page where the specific class is held. At this point, Google might request you to log in. If you're not already signed into your Google account, ensure you use the email address associated with your school or educational institution, as this will allow you access without any issues. After the page loads, you'll see an option to join the class. Look for the Join button, which is usually prominently displayed on the class page. It might take a second or two for the page to fully display, depending on your internet speed, but be patient. When you see the Join button, go ahead and click it. Clicking this button will officially enroll you in the class. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a Google Classroom using a link. Remember, this method is convenient and quick when you have the exact link from a trusted source like your teacher. If you encounter any problems, ensure you're signed into the correct Google account and double check the link for accuracy. I hope this tutorial helps you navigate Google Classroom with ease. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and happy